Okay, what's up guys? I'm back with a new video, and today we're gonna be playing a game that I've had before, but I haven't played it a lot. So I'm gonna play it for you guys today. And it's called 2XL MX Off-Road. You could do a lot of really cool stunts with it. You had to watch videos to earn credits. I'm sure you guys had something similar to this. You know, you had to watch videos to get credits. Crap, I clicked on the wrong thing.
Yes. Let me test that. Yes.
Okay, so the first mode that you start off with is arcade. You don't get anything else except for this map. And if you select it, see those two buttons at the top right-hand corner that says ATV and MX? So right now, I'm on the ATV / four-wheeler, and then when I click on MX, it takes me to my motorcycle. Go to ATV, boom. So, one that I really want to get up to is this one right here. It's a 125cc, just like this one. Oh yeah, my real dirt bike, it's 110cc, but yeah, 110cc, and that thing's a lot of fun when you know how to use it. So start it with the wheelie. Oh yeah, see that spring at the bottom? When it turns green, that's when it's okay to click on it. Like at the end of jumps, you can click it, and it'll give you higher air, so you can get better airspeed and like do better tricks like this one.
What the heck was that?
Oh yeah, see the gray buttons at the side? That's how you do the tricks. I clicked the one on the left in the middle. Crap. Oh, I actually did it. Did you see me? I just flew over that last guy. I'm gonna do a trick that you have to tilt the screen for. It's called a whip. Oh, see, I came in second. First is the worst, second is the best. Yay. Yeah. Cortland just said the third is the one with the hairy chest.
Go check out my channel.
Yeah, go check out Cortland's channel, Dark Tiger, because they do a lot of haunted stuff.
Not really.
Not.
We just play.
Yeah. Oh crap.
Clean up your mess.
Yeah, they have clowns in their woods. It's so scary. Sometime when I get a chance to go over to their house, I'm gonna bring my phone so I can vlog. And then I'm also gonna record what I see on my drone and see if I can find any clowns.
We're like most of best friends.
Yeah, because I'm gonna fly around their neighborhood and see if I can find any clowns.
And maybe bring his drone.
Yeah, dude, I literally just told him about that. Oh,
I
whip!
thought you just said the whip.
That was a whip. And whoosh. And wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. Oh, I did a wheelie and finished it. Wow, I crashed. Okay, so I came in 7th place that time. But my least favorite one is the ATV. I mean, it is pretty dang fast, but I just don't like the way of how it drives.
Yeah, me either. I had that game. Or my papa had that game, and he let me play it. And the freaking
ATV is freaking slow. I mean,
and it's bad controlling.
Yeah, it's bad controlling. I mean, you can't do crap with it. People say that doing wheelies with ATVs is impossible, but I've actually done one before. I've done it for about like what, 3 yards.
What, you're in second?
Yeah, I'm in second out of 8.
That's pretty darn good. Dude, you were literally just at first, right?
Yeah, I was just in first for like what, a split second. Yes, I'm in first. I'm gonna get a gold prize. Whoosh, booski. I don't know why I say these. No. Oh crap! One time I actually landed on this guy, and guess who wiped out? Both of us. Crap! I already lost. You can already tell. I came in 8th place. I was the loser.
Did you end the video?
Mm-hmm. You just spilled that.
Are you using ATV? Yeah, you messed up. You had a really bad start. At least he's already in fourth.
I'm about to be in third. See that green bike in front of me? That's the bike that I was talking about. Look how fast it is. Crap. I mean, yeah, those green four. I want to see if I can earn any credits off camera. Yeah, I'll try to do that off camera. See, look at that top. It says final lap. I don't like that. Wow. Sometimes you even get in trouble for cutting the track. See? You cut the track. Look, I'm going to come over here and just cut the track.
Guess what? I'm playing on my papa's phone and I tried to cut to the whole entire thing. And she said, nope.
Yes.
Front flip. Oh, crap. Wrong way. I'm doing freestyle.
Gonna finish 9.
Stay out of that piece of the track. Oh, crap. I ran into a freaking tree. When you stay off the track too long, like in MX versus ATV Untamed, when you stay off the track for too long, it's going to automatically just kick you out the race.
I was about to ask, can you change your bike?
I was literally just about to. Do crap.
There's a lot of ATVs.
Yeah, there's a lot. Look, it's like a red flag leading a herd of dinosaurs. Or buffaloes. Or whatever it's called.
Dude, this thing is fast. Look, we're already catched up.
I'm gonna land on somebody. I was watching this bikers fail compilation, and guess what happened before? There was this dirt biker that jumped up a ramp and landed on somebody and literally almost killed him. This is gonna be hard to beat.
I'm checking first page.
Oh, see how close he was? Okay, Lambert, make your car sound amazing.
Let's change our vehicle now.
This item is locked. Would you like to earn credits towards unlocking it? Yes. Okay, like I said, off camera.
It's not 15.
Well, I can't earn up enough credits to earn this, but crap. Oh, look, there's a 250.
Chantel had her sister at 16. 15.
450. Wow. Oh, it only goes up to 450. Well.
What? Brandon, what? Oh,
Oh, really? Oh, really, Mr. Red Guy? You want to
Come on, let's go, Mr. Red Bike.
He's a redskin. Whee! Crap, I died.
You are?
Dying.
I was just bouncing on my head doing flips.
Are you recording now?
Yep. That's terrible. Ouch! Okay, so we're gonna play a little bit of another game, but first I gotta find one and download it. Well, it looks like I can't find anything else to do. It looks like I'm just gonna have to leave it right here. Bye.